Hello guys, hello friends. Welcome to the new part of the tutorial. Say how to create a Christmas bell. Basically, I have created this object already of this bell shaped. I sorry forgot to record that all the shape while creating the object. But anyhow, so we can use a pen tool and to create the shape like this, or you can trace this out into the Inkscape by watching this video. Okay, so let's get started with creating a bell shape or a bell. So we will call this outer la- layer as of the bell. Okay, so let's get started again. So we can need to copy this and or duplicate this. So and then we have to mirror it out. So I have copy. Oops, sorry. And then copy. We need to flip it, mirror it, and place it against and oppose it to that object. That layer object. So if you have to join these two nodes in the bottom and the top, you will select the two parts of the object. You can either select both together and then use a join selected node or like that, and same for the top part. And once we join them, we are good to go. So our bell shape is ready. We just need to create a hanging bell. What you call dong ding dong. Not sure what is that name. Okay, so you just need to adjust the thickness of the ring and the layer outside. So just quickly adjust those thickness, yeah, or you can choose whatever you like. uh, so yeah, so just we need to union them, so it will convert it into a bell shape object. So but we before that, I think we need to just confirm that is it in the center, vertically centered of the outer object, the ring we have created in the bottom. So let's confirm it. Through that we will undo this, and yeah, select both of the object, and then we'll do vertical central axis alignment on both of those objects. Selecting the object, place the how much distance you want your bottom object to be, and then yeah, we just need to center the line vertically. Now we use the tool union, moving into the node mode of the editor, and that's all. We have created the shape of bell. Hope you learn from this tutorial. Thanks for watching.